So the problem that I will be solving is if I am standing 4 feet away from the goal is 6 feet tall. I am trying to lift the field hockey ball up into the left top corner of the field hockey goal. How far is the ball traveling from the ground to the top corner of the goal? So this person right here, and that is the ball. That's me, and I'm trying to get this ball up into this corner right here. And so it has a 40-degree angle. We only know two sides of the triangle so far. We know the opposite side because the 40-degree angle is opposite of the 4 feet side. This side is the adjacent, and x is the hypotenuse. So we're going to use the sine function to find x. So the sine of 40 equals 4 over x, and then we apply x onto both sides. Those cross out, and then we have x times sine of 40 equals 4. We divide both sides by sine of 40. Sine of 40. Oops. Those cross out. X equals 4 over sine of 40. And if I plug that into my calculator, x is approximately 6.2 feet. So the distance from the ball to the top left corner is 6.2 feet. Thank you.